No one likes a stressed or bored chicken.
Oh.
So today, we're spicing up our coop with a pack of bright and colorful chicken toys. It comes with a ton of fun and cool toys that your chickens will love. It comes shipped to your door with everything individually wrapped. Inside, you can find a nice little mirror with hanging bells, a chicken swing, 2 pecking toys with jingle bells, a vegetable hanging net, a xylophone, a ladder bridge, 2 vegetable skewers, and that's it. It comes with everything you need to have your chickens feeling like they're in their own band in no time. This pack first arrived when our chicks were only a few weeks old, so they were in the brooder box still, and we didn't want to make it too cramped in there. So we picked out a few of our favorite toys and set them up for the chicks to enjoy. First, we put in the xylophone, and within seconds, all the chicks were crowded around it, trying to figure out what it was. Then, one of them gave it a good peck and showed the others how to play music, and they joined in. Now, every time I come back to the brooder, there's a chick playing music for me out of excitement. Next, we put in a little bell, as well as the ladder bridge. Anything that has a bit of shine to it, or a bell that jingles, gets their immediate attention. Within minutes, we had chickens jumping for the bells, trying to give them a ring. They started to show interest in the bridge too. They were climbing on top of the feeder to try to get closer, and gave the bridge some pecks to check the structural integrity. But it wasn't long before they were able to leave the brooder. We let them out and they immediately spread their wings and flew around the room. They were excited to play, so we set up their room and hung up the rest of the toys. In the brooder, our chicks would love checking themselves out in the mirror, so we removed the film and set up the new mirror first. Sure enough, within minutes, they were checking themselves out and even playing with the bells hanging from it. Then, we hung up some more jingle bells, and they were so interested that they were checking them out in my hand. This got me thinking that I could bell train our chickens. But of course, you can't train without treats. So we grabbed the vegetable net and hung a head of lettuce for the chicks. We ripped off little bits and let them try it, and they snatched it right up, excited to try something new and green. They sat under the net and watched it swing back and forth, running around with the little clippings they got. They even played keep away with the lettuce. Our chicks have been having a blast with the new toys. Even outside of the brooder, I catch them playing happy songs on the xylophone and jingling the bells. Not only is it fun for them, but walking to the coop and hearing the sound of music is always fun. And now the coop is more bright, colorful, and fun to look at. And believe it or not, but the chickens even enjoy the colors. Chicken eyes are tetrachromatic, meaning they have 4 types of cones that let them see red, blue, and green light, not to mention ultraviolet light. Therefore, they can see many more colors and shades than we do. So that being said, the colorful room is just as colorful for them, if not more. Shiny and reflective objects aside, they really seem interested in anything with bright colors. It just grabs their attention and pulls them in. They've been having a lot of fun with their new toys, and we even have more toys to try out. So if your chickens are in need of some fun toys to spice up their coop, then this pack of toys might just be for you. If you'd like to get a pack for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the coop to hang out with my chicks. See ya!